Are you a pest control business owner struggling to keep up with customer demands, manage schedules, and grow your company? Now, imagine having a powerful tool that could transform your entire business operations in just a few clicks. Today, I'm going to reveal the game-changing secret that top pest control companies are using to skyrocket their success. In this video, we'll dive deep into Pest Control CRM. I'll break down the following: what Pest Control CRM actually is, how it can revolutionize your operations, the key strategies to maximize your business efficiency, technology that can give you a competitive edge. Now let us understand Pest Control CRM is more than just software. It's your business's secret weapon. It's a specialized system designed to centralize your customer data, manage scheduling, track service history, improve communication, and boost overall operational efficiency. Now, let's talk about how CRM can transform your pest control business. It can help for route optimization, use GPS technology, and plan most efficient technician routes, reduce fuel costs, and increase daily job completions. For inventory management, it will help you in real-time stock tracking, automated reordering, prevent service interruptions, maintain high customer satisfaction. If you speak about pure customer relationship management, your CRM is your relationship building tool. Maintain detailed customer profiles, track service interactions, send personalized communications, create proactive service reminders, build long-term customer loyalty. And when you look out for technological advantages, modern pest control isn't just about chemicals, it's about smart technology. Mobile apps for field technicians, cloud-based solutions, real-time data access, advanced inspection technologies like thermal imaging and drone scanning. Now that you already know the things that can help you, let's just discuss how to choose the right CRM for your pest control business. Look for pest control specific features, ensure mobile accessibility, check scheduling capabilities, verify invoicing integrations, and last but not the least, find a CRM which actually helps you and solves your business problems. Look out for popular market solutions like Zoho CRM, HubSpot, etc. And also try to look niche-specific CRMs, sign up for trials, and play around. See how it can fit to all the criteria we discussed in this video. Well, we have covered quite a bit, and I hope you understand that Pest Control CRM isn't just a tool, it's a complete business transformation system. If you found this valuable, like this video, share with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business growth strategies. Drop a message if you need help in implementing a CRM. We'll be happy to help you.